प्रसार भारती अभिलेखागार की प्रस्तुति सदाबहार सुनहरे दौर का अनमोल खजाना।
The central vista, spanning distance from India Gate all the way down
bird's-eye
to
view
Rashtrapati.
of the contingent as they're moving towards India Gate. And border security force,
Marching to the tunes of Vijay
camel
Bharat, we have the
contingent,
border
much
security force
awaited
camel
every year.
contingent.
People wait for this column because
Deputy Commandant
beautifully
Kamal
accoutred
Singh Rathore
camels
leading this camel
totally
contingent.
covered by various decorative trappings, led by Deputy
Brilliant
Commandant Kamal
selection
Singh
of colours
Rathore.
for our camels who have been decorated.
These ships of the desert are dependable companion in the inhospitable terrain of Rajasthan and the
Camel
Rana
mounted
Kashmir.
troops, instrumental in successfully tracking down smugglers and extremists in that difficult terrain.
Only one of its kind in the world,
Behind
the
the camel
mounted
contingent of the BSF,
column,
we
the
have
camel-mounted band
BSF
of
camel
BSF.
mounted band.
was raised in 1986-87 by Rajasthan and Gujarat frontier, and Bandmaster Phoola is playing
Hum Hai Seema
Hum
Suraksha
Hai
Bal.
Seema Suraksha Bal.
खून दिया है मगर ना दी कभी देश की माटी।
Well,
A unique feature of the BSF using camels.
after the border
We have the
security
Assam
force, we have the
Rifles
Assam
marching
Rifles marching
contingent, led
contingent.
by
Major Muhammad Ali Shah,
Ali Shah.
the seventh generation officer, leads the Assam Rifles marching contingent. Seventh generation officer means
Giving salute to
something
the
which
President,
must go down in history.
Major Muhammad Ali Shah. Sentinels of the Northeast. They have won 3 Ashok Chakras along with numerous other laurels.
The Assam Rifle is marching to the Assam
Behind them,
Rifle
the
Band.
Assam
And
Rifles
Subedar
Band,
Narbhopal Sharma of Assam Rifle,
Narbhopal Sharma,
Assam Rifle
leading
Band
the
is
combined
playing
brass
the
and
tune
pipe
Assam
bands.
Rifles.
Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav and Mr. L.K. Advani along with Pratibha Advani watching the parade.
Coast Guard
marching
contingent.
Deputy Commandant Dalip Singh
Coast Guard.
leading this marching
Deputy
contingent.
Commandant
The
Dalip
Indian
Singh is
Coast Guards.
leading his contingent.
They
And
enforce
this
the
border
national
force
laws
was
in
raised in
Indian
1977, has 76 ships and 5 aircraft, and they carry out guarding of our national sea frontiers.
The Central Reserve Police
Coast Guard
Force
followed
Band,
by
Inspector
Central Reserve
Chandra
Police Force
Bahadur
Band,
Dorji,
led by Inspector Chandra Bahadur
Seva
Dorji,
Bhakti,
101 strong,
ये प्रतीक
playing
CRPF
सेवा भक्ति का ये प्रतीक CRPF कहलाता है. And the band followed by Central Reserve Police Force marching contingent. Assistant Commandant Mool Chand leading 144 personnel.
Central Reserve Police
Proudly
Force marching
presents a
contingent
salute
led by
to
Assistant
the President of
Commandant
India.
Moolchand. So Sonia Gandhi
Appreciated by
enjoying the parade,
Sonia Gandhi.
beautiful weather.
भारत तिब्बत सीमा पुलिस बल इंस्पेक्टर जयराम
ITBP, the very famous
The
for its
Tibetan Border Police
role in the
Band.
mountain warfare, the ITBP band
Sarhad
led by
Ki
Inspector
Senani,
Jagat Ram,
Hum Sache
playing Hum Sarhad Ki Senani, Hum Sache Hindustani.
Jagat Ram leading this contingent. Mr. Pranab Mukherjee,
Mr. Pranab Mukherjee appreciating the band.
behind the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Band.
And following the band
Marching
is the
contingent
Indo-Tibetan
of the
Border
ITBP.
Police marching contingent, which has won a number of prizes for the marching,
Assistant Commandant Saurabh
led
Dubey
by
leading.
Assistant Commandant Saurabh Dubey.
6 Padma Shris, 1 Shaurya Chakra among
They
other
have carried
honors
out
and awards.
work in various organizations in Afghanistan, United and UN missions, and in recognition of their valor and sacrifice, they have coveted 6 Padma Shris. Following the ITBP marching
We
contingent
now have the
is
Central Industrial
CISF
Security Force Band.
band
Inspector J.S.
led by
Gill.
Inspector G.S.
Very
Gill. Kadam
briskly
Kadam Badhai
saluted
Ja.
the President. Popular tune Kadam Kadam Badhai Ja. Mr. Shivraj Patil.
We have now, following the band, their marching
CISF
contingent,
marching
the
contingent
CISF marching
led by
contingent, Assistant Commandant Omkar Singh Thakur,
approaching the saluting days.
presenting a salute. We must really appreciate CISF because they are guarding all our airports and we see them
Mr.
everywhere
Shinde,
in
Mr.
the civil
Montek Singh
airports
Ahluwalia,
providing security.
all watching this parade.
Mr. Montek Singh
Mr.
Ahluwalia,
Shakil Ahmed.
braving the chill in the morning.
The Sashastra Seema Bal Brass Band,
We have
led by Sub-Inspector
Shashastra Seema
Om
Bal Brass
Prakash.
Band. जोश भरा है
75
सीना
soldiers.
है सीने में है हथेलियों पर जान.
Sashastra Seema Bal.
Playing this tune is being played by this band and led by
Just behind
Sub-Inspector, Subedar
is
Inspector
the marching
Om
contingent,
Prakash.
the same force. Mr. Ramvilas Paswan and his wife.
Sashastra Seema Bal marching contingent follows the band. Assistant Commandant Barajit Singh leading 148 strong.
Of the
Their motto is
Sashastra
service,
Seema
security
Bal
and brotherhood,
marching
and
contingent.
they are on the borders, especially on Nepal and Bhutan border. They are spreading their program through brotherhood and movement of brotherhood.
Mr. Nicolas Sarkozy, the President of France, watching this parade with great interest. We now have the Railway Protection Force
Railway
band led
Protection
by Assistant
Force
Sub-Inspector
Band, RPF.
Chalora.
Playing Vijay Bharat, led by Assistant Sub-Inspector
Railway
Chalora.
Protection Force is a unique armed force of the country which works under the Ministry of Railways.
Railway Protection Marching Contingent, led by
They have the
Commandant
unique
M.S.
task
Sunil.
of securing
And this RPF
passengers in the
provides
passenger
security to the
area
Indian
along with railway
railways.
property
Very, very
in the railway
important for us.
premises.
For
The Railway
today.
Protection Force marching contingent led by Commandant M.S. Sunil, moving past the saluting days. The President has honoured them with the President's colours in 2006, and at present 1,450 passenger trains are escorted by this force.
दिल्ली पुलिस का बैंड दिल्ली पुलिस गीत की धुन बजाते हुए
Now, of course, the
सब
Delhi
इंस्पेक्टर
Police
दर्शन
Band
सिंह इस दस्ते का नेतृत्व
playing
कर
the
रहे हैं।
theme Delhi Police. Sonia Gandhi's family there. Bandmaster is Subedar Inspector Darshan
और
Singh.
अब दिल्ली पुलिस का मार्चिंग दस्ता इस मार्चिंग दस्ते का नेतृत्व
Now, of
सहायक
course, the
आयुक्त
Delhi
परमादित्य
Police
कर रहे
marching
हैं।
contingent.
औसतन 6 फुट से अधिक
Sri
ऊंचाई वाले
Paramaditya,
148
Assistant
जवानों
Commissioner
के
of
इस
Police,
मार्चिंग दस्ते
is
की
leading the
विशेषता ये भी
smartly
है
attired men
कि 1950 में
from
अपने
Delhi
गठन से
Police
लेकर आज
marching
तक ये
contingent.
दस्ता नियमित रूप से गणतंत्र दिवस परेड
All
में
of
भाग ले
them
रहा है। चौथे
having
बार
heights more
सर्वश्रेष्ठ
than 6
मार्चिंग
feet.
दस्ते की ट्रॉफी हासिल कर चुका है।
The contingent has been participating in the Republic Day parade ever since India became
ए
republic in
वतन
1950.
वतन हमको तेरी कसम ये जोश भरी धुन बजा रहे हैं बैंड मास्टर कैडेट कुशाग्र नागपाल के नेतृत्व में
Now, of course, the youngsters,
कोर्ट के
National
राष्ट्रीय
Cadet Corps boys NCC band. Contingent Commander Kushagra Nagpal. Aaye Watan is the theme they are playing. Chief guest of the parade, French President. That is the panoramic view.
राष्ट्रीय
from
कैडेट कोर
India
सीनियर
Gate. And
डिवीजन
this
के
is
148
Senior
लड़कों
Officer
का
G.
मार्चिंग
Guru of
दस्ता
Tamil Nadu
जिसका
Directorate,
नेतृत्व तमिलनाडु
leading
निदेशालय
the
के
senior
सीनियर
NCC,
अंडर ऑफिसर जी
NCC
गुरु कर
boys
रहे हैं।
marching contingent.
राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर आज विश्व के विशाल युवा संगठनों में से एक है। इन कैडेटों ने मानवतापूर्ण कार्यों और खेल प्रतिस्पर्धाओं सहित कई अभियानों में भाग लिया है।
Delhi Chief Minister there.
बिरला
And
बालिका
this is the
विद्यापीठ
girls
पिलानी
NCC band. They're from
कैडेट
Birla
प्रकृति
Balika
भूषण की
Vidyapit
अगुवाई।
Pilani.
और ये छात्राएं सारे जहां से
They are
अच्छा
playing the tune
हिंदुस्तान
सारे
हमारा
जहां से
धुन बजा
अच्छा।
रही हैं।
Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Somnath Chatterjee.
राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर सीनियर डिवीजन की लड़कियों का मार्चिंग दस्ता
और
Senior
ये
Division
है
NCC
तमिलनाडु
Girls
निदेशालय
Marching
की सीनियर
Contingent.
अंडर ऑफिसर
Senior
ए
Officer A.
जो
Divya
नेतृत्व
of
कर रही है
Tamil Nadu
राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर
Directorate
सीनियर डिवीजन
is proudly
की
leading
148 लड़कियों के
the Senior Division
मार्चिंग
Girls
दस्ते
NCC
का।
Marching
वर्ष
Contingent.
2005 में जम्मू और कश्मीर निदेशालय की शेयरिंग के
Very
दौरान
smart
और
marching.
कैप्टन अश्विनी पवार ने माउंट एवरेस्ट पर पहुंचने का गौरव हासिल किया
लड़कियों
है।
का मार्चिंग दस्ता
UPA Chairperson
Sonia
Srimati
Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
अन्य गणमान्य अतिथि
And that is
मंच में यहाँ
masked
उपस्थित
pipes
और
and
ये है
drums.
सामूहिक पाइप
Playing
एवं
the
ड्रम
tune
बैंड
Piper
पाइपर
Cave.
केव की मधुर धुन बजाते हुए निकल रहे हैं। कुमाऊं रेजिमेंट के सूबेदार मेजर पदम सिंह के नेतृत्व
Subedar
में
Major Padam Singh of Kumaon Regiment leading this masked pipes and drums.
सामूहिक पाइप एवं ड्रम बैंड के पीछे राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना का मार्चिंग दस्ता सलामी मंच के सामने पहुंचता हुआ चंडीगढ़ क्षेत्र के श्री गौरव के
Approaching the
नेतृत्व
saluting
में
dais
राष्ट्रीय
now.
सेवा योजना का मार्चिंग दस्ता
The National Service Scheme Marching Contingent.
कदम से कदम मिलाते हुए एक पंक्ति में जैसे मशीन से इनके हाथ चल रहे हैं। और अब है
Launched in 1969 with thirst and prosperity development.
सामाजिक और
Leader of the opposition, Lal Krishna Advani, Sri Lalu Yadav.
And now, a
And
pageant
now
of
the cultural
spectacular displays
pageants.
from different states of the
Start with
country,
Haryana,
each one highlighting the
1857
diversity and richness
freedom
of our
struggle.
culture. The first tableau from
The
Haryana
indomitable courage
shows the
displayed by the people of
indomitable courage
Haryana
displayed by the people of Haryana
during the first
during the
war of
first
India's
War
independence
of India's
brought out
independence.
on the
The
tableau.
loss of human lives in Rohnak village and attack on revolutionaries by the British Army remind us of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters.
And next tableau is Andhra Pradesh.
From Andhra
Bathukamba, a festival of devotion.
Bathukamba.
Folklore has it that after having lost 100 children,
That after having lost
King Dharmangada's wife Santavati gave birth to
Dharmangada's wife,
Bathukamba
Satyavati,
with the blessings of goddess
gave birth
Lakshmi
to
Devi.
Bathukamba with the blessings of
The
goddess
saints blessed Bathukamba for longevity.
Telangana region of Andhra Pradesh.
Likewise, goddess Gauri Devi regained her consciousness
Gauri Devi
after 5
performed
days.
Bathukamba, an idol made of grass flowers for longevity.
आपके साथ जिसमें भक्ति का त्योहार बतरकुमा मनाया गया। आंध्र प्रदेश की झांकी के बाद बिहार से नालंदा महाविहार
And
From
close the
festival
following
to
that is
festival,
Bihar, Nalanda
to
Mahabihar,
introspection.
the ancient seat of learning, being projected on the tableau from Bihar. Students from countries like China, Japan, Korea, and Mongolia had studied here.
Had studied here.
केंद्र नालंदा
A wide range of
Nalanda's presence
subjects
has been
from
dated
architecture to
as early
astronomy,
as
from Vedas
415
to
AD by the
philosophy,
famous traveler
taught at
Wen
Nalanda,
Sang.
as far back as 415 AD.
मृत्यो अमृतं गमय।
The chief guest along with the vice president, and now of course
From the paradise on earth,
tableau of the
Kashmir,
paradise on
comes the
earth,
tulip garden.
that is
Vibrant
Jammu
flowers
and
in full
Kashmir.
bloom,
From the paradise on earth, Kashmir, comes the tulip gardens,
reverberating
vibrant
through its
flowers in
snow-capped
full bloom, and
mountains,
tourists going
lush green
around the
valleys,
tulip garden,
rivers, and a wide range
listening
of
to the
flora and
mellifluous
fauna.
Kashmiri folk music will be seen on this tableau. And tourists flock to Srinagar to view the snow-capped mountains, lush green valleys. And a wide range of flora and fauna, of course. Saifuddin Ali Soos, the Central Minister.
Mr. Saifuddin Soos from Kashmir enjoying this tableau. And this paradise on earth always attracts a lot of tourists.
Now from the state of Chhattisgarh, folk instruments.
And now we can see
And from the state
the
of
tableau of
Chhattisgarh,
Chhattisgarh.
a variety of its folk instruments on display on Rajpath today. Instruments like the
instruments,
dhankul, dhungru and
music.
chikara are played during festivals. Dhanhak is played only during Navratri. Some of the other instruments displayed are the chatkola and algoza.
Next from the state of Jharkhand, Jatra Tana Bhagat.
Next, of course, the tableau
From the
of
state of
Jharkhand,
Jharkhand,
Jatra Tana Bhagat movement,
Jatra Tana Bhagat.
non-violence, brotherhood, nationality, austerity,
Non-violence,
and
brotherhood,
vegetarianism.
nationality,
The
austerity,
guiding principles
and
behind the movement,
vegetarianism were the guiding
launched by
principles
Jatra
behind the
Tana Bhagat
movement
against the
launched
colonial
by
rulers.
Jatra Tana Bhagat against the colonial rulers. Jatra was imprisoned and subjected to excesses that led to his death. But his principles are being followed astutely even today, as is seen in this tableau from Jharkhand.
Now, of course, from Kerala,
And this is the
Onam
colourful
festival
tableau from
presented here in
Kerala
all its
depicting
splendor and
Onam.
gaiety.
In all its splendor and gaiety.
People celebrate the return of King Mahabali,
who is allowed to visit his kingdom once a year after having been expelled for his inability to provide land to
Vamana, Lord Vishnu's
Lord Vishnu's
incarnation.
incarnation. Equality, honesty and happiness had existed
Equality, honesty,
during
and
King
happiness
Mahabali's rule.
had existed during King Mahabali's rule.
Pulikalli, the tiger dance. Padayanni, a folk art form.
മാവേലി നാടു അണിടുങ്കാലം മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും പോലെ മാവേലി നാടു അണിടുങ്കാലം മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ ആമോദത്തോടെ വസിക്കും
floral decorations typical of Kerala add to the luster. And on the side panels, you can see murals of the famous snake boat race.
Next from the state of Gujarat, Jal Mandir.
After the Kerala Onam,
जल ही
we
जीवन
come
है।
to the Gujarat.
गुजरात के सीढ़ीदार अद्भुत कुओं को प्रदर्शित किया गया
Water is
है।
in-
इस गुजरात
in
की
the
झांकी
arid
में
zone is like
सीढ़ीदार
manna
कुओं से
from
पानी
heaven.
खींचने
And
को
Gujarat
यहाँ
presents
बहुत पवित्र
its
रस
step
माना
wells
जाता
in
है।
today's
इन
parade.
कुओं की दीवारों पर
Waters of
अनोखी
native
खिड़कियां भी बनी हैं।
And the multi-tier step well is considered holy by the villagers. Its walls have exit windows and sculpture depicting Dashavatara.
झांकी के दोनों तरफ लोग नर्तक ढोल और शहनाई के साथ भेड़ा नृत्य करते हुए और सलामी मंच के
State of
सामने
Meghalaya
राजपथ पर यहाँ चली आ
presents
रही है
the beautiful
मेघालय की झांकी
butterflies
जिसमें
in various
खूबसूरत
hues
तितलियों को दिखाया
seen in
गया
their
है।
splendor here.
राज्य में तितलियों की बहुतायत उस राज्य के स्वस्थ पर्यावरण की सूचक है। इसी के मद्देनजर राज्य में तितलियों के संरक्षण के लिए बहुत से कदम उठाए गए हैं।
State famous for its orchids, butterflies, and other lovely flowers seen on this tableau.
और अरुणाचल प्रदेश की ये झांकी हम्पी
Arunachal
आदिवासियों
Pradesh
की संस्कृति को
gives us a
दर्शाती हुई
glimpse of
हम्पी
Hampi
आदिवासी
culture.
बौद्ध धर्म के
A glimpse of
अनुयायी
Hampi
हैं।
is one of the
उनके
ethnic
मठ
tribes
और
of
पगोड़ा
Arunachal
उनकी
Pradesh
वास्तुशिल्प
is
कला को स्वयं ही बयान करते
presented
हैं।
before us today.
इन
Devout Buddhists
आदिवासियों के प्रत्येक त्योहार
Let's
और
look at the
उत्सवों में
pagodas and
बौद्ध धर्म का स्पष्ट
testimony
प्रभाव
to the
दिखता है।
architectural skill.
हम्पी आदिवासी बेहतरीन योद्धा और मार्शल आर्ट्स में निपुण होते हैं।
Humpties are good warriors and martial arts exponents. This was a war dance of Humpties being appreciated by the audience.
और अब सलामी
We come
मंच
to the
के
Punjab.
सामने आती हुई पंजाब की झांकी
Shaheed Bhagat
जो
Singh
दर्शा रही
being
है
shown today.
अमर शहीद
A tableau in the honor
भगत
of one of
सिंह
its
को
proud
समर्पित
sons,
की गई है।
Shaheed Bhagat
झांकी
Singh, is presented by the
साइमन कमीशन
state
के
of
खिलाफ
Punjab
भगत
in
सिंह
his
की
birth
अगुवाई में युवाओं
centenary
के
year.
आक्रोश के प्रदर्शन को
शहीद
इस
भगत
झांकी
Here is
के
the
माध्यम से
protest
दिखाया
led
गया
by
है।
Bhagat Singh against all-white Simon Commission depicted on the tableau.
आजादी के परवाने जीना तो उसी का जीना है जो मरना वतन पे जाने। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। बोल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों पे हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। बोल क्या
देखें तो ऐसा ही लगता है
It's an awe-inspiring sight. It motivates the entire youth of the country, Shaheed Bhagat Singh. And now we
और
come
त्रिपुरा
to
राज्य की इस व्यंगम
Tripura
झांकी
Unnakodi.
में
A
ऊनाकोटी
unique
स्थित
rock cut
पत्थरों पर
murals
उकेरी
and
गई
gigantic
सजीव सी
stone
दिखने वाली
images
मूर्तियों को
dating
यहाँ
back to
प्रदर्शित किया
18th
गया
century from
है।
Unnakodi.
8वीं शताब्दी के इस
Presented in a
प्राचीन
music
स्थान पर
form
मौजूद
today. Let's
भगवान
appreciate.
शिव के 30 फुट ऊंचे मुख और पाषाण प्रतिमाओं के दर्शन के लिए यहाँ अशोकाष्टमी और पौष मेले के दौरान बड़ी संख्या में तीर्थयात्री आते हैं।
Lord Shiva had stopped here with 1 crore gods and goddesses.
और त्रिपुरा के बाद हमारे
From
एक और
here,
पूर्वोत्तर राज्य की झांकी
we come to the
सिक्किम से
Sikkim.
अद्भुत प्राकृतिक
Beautiful
दृश्य
Sikkim,
आकाश को
heritage
सलामी देते
conservation,
ऊंचे पर्वत
natural
शिखर
landscape,
और विश्व में
mountain glaciers
तीसरी
and
सर्वाधिक ऊंची
Kanchenjunga,
पर्वत चोटी
the third highest
कंचनजंगा
mountain in the
को
world,
सिक्किम
all
राज्य
make
की इस
Sikkim a much
मनमोहक
sought
झांकी में
after place
प्रदर्शित किया गया है।
by tourists.
ऐसी मनोहारी छटा सैलानियों को
Totally
बरबस
eco-friendly.
सिक्किम आने के लिए मजबूर कर देती है।
And perfect harmony. Let us appreciate the harmonious, beautiful music.
Chief Justice of India and the Chief Minister of Delhi. From Sikkim, we move to Karnataka.
Karnataka.
The architecture from the Hoysala
Hoysala
dynasty
Temple. Architecture from
portrayed.
Hoysala dynasty of Karnataka is portrayed
presentation
through the presentation of
Chanakeshwara
Chanakeshwara Temple of Vellore, built by
Vishnu.
King,
This temple is
Vishnuvarman.
in Vellore, which is 220 kilometers from
built
Bengaluru.
of soapstone.
This was built
The
by
temple
King
stands on an
Vishnuvarman.
elevated platform.
Built of soft
It indicates
soapstone.
its intricate artwork is
You can
appreciated.
see the Hoysala royal emblem right in front. The elevated platform or Jagati, which leads to the mandapa of the temple. Some of the sculptures in this temple are so delicate that it almost seems impossible to have made it in stone. Musicians and symbol bearers of the Hoysala dynasty. Often called nectar in stone, the Hoysala temple. We now move to Orissa. In the days of yore, sea traders
Traditional
used
maritime
to sail
trade
off
has
to
been the
Java,
hallmark of
Sumatra,
Orissa
Borneo and Sri
in
Lanka
the
in
years
huge
gone by.
boats called
Here
biota.
comes the float from Orissa.
To commemorate this journey,
In commemoration of the maritime trade links
people in
with
Orissa
other countries
make
since time
small boats
immemorial,
of paper
Bayota
or other
Bandhana is
material
celebrated during Kartik
on the day
Purnima.
of Kartik Purnima. And remember those travelers. Biota Bandhana is celebrated during that time. This is the Paika of Orissa, warrior dancers, the martial art form prevalent there. The huge treasure trove. We have the looks of a speaker and the lieutenant governor. The replica of the boats that used to go from Orissa to distant shores, carrying spices and other condiments.
In the history of India, the courage and valor of Rani Lakshmibai of Bundelkhand is etched in India's freedom struggle. She led the battle from the front along with her courageous.
We now have the tableau from Uttar Pradesh, celebrating the contribution of Rani Lakshmibai of Bundelkhand. The valor, patriotism and fearlessness shown by her against the British is well known in the annals of history. She is often compared to the Joan of Arc, 19th century warrior queen. Rani Lakshmibai lives in ballads and folk tales today and is an inspiration for women everywhere. Mr. Nicolas Sarkozy, remembering Joan of Arc, perhaps?
Appreciated by the President of France. We have now Ministry of Water Resources.
We now have the
water
tableau from the
conservation.
Ministry of Water Resources,
It's the International
with
Year of
water
Water,
as the theme.
and it's ringing alarm that
Water is
might
life and the
become
precondition
more
to
scarce.
it.
This tableau from the Ministry
Today
of
we
Water
live
Resources
in
emphasizes on
a
conservation.
water-stressed world. And this float emphasizes the need to be judicious with its usage and the need for us to harness technology to make water distribution more efficient. Of course, with the presence of water, paradise exists. The Ministry of Human Resource Development with its tableau Education of the Girl
Gives us a
Child.
message for education of girl child.
The most
government with various
effective step
programs
that
aims
governments can take to
promote
combat
basic
poverty is
education
to
in
educate
educating the
girls,
girl child.
and this is what
Prime
is
focus
depicted
for
here.
education at elementary level
Education
through
at
Sarva
various levels,
Shiksha
the
Abhiyan.
elementary, the upper primary level, etc. Extending the benefits to more and more girls. It's not just important to get them to school, but also to keep them there. And educating a girl affects the economy eventually, because she boosts prosperity around her. She also reduces health hazards in her family, teaching others as she goes ahead. Various schemes of the government, the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, midday meals, all steps to encourage girls to come to school and stay in school. We now
Ministry
move
of
to the
Steel.
Ministry of Steel and the contribution of
everyday
steel
life.
to everyday life,
And that is
an
why India
indispensable
moves.
part
The
of our
contribution of
lives
steel
today.
industry in the
Steel
country,
is probably
economic growth is immense. The presence of steel in everyday
The-
life is
it has the
showcased
widest
through a
range of
depiction
applications,
bicycles, constructions,
among
transports,
any
etc.
material,
The
a
corporate
wide range of
social
alloy
responsibility of steel
compositions,
industry are
mechanical
also
properties
portrayed
and
here.
products that can be made. Indeed, a versatile material used in numerous components and compounds. The contribution to the country's economic growth is immense from this ministry, the Ministry of Steel. And the national steel policy aims to achieve global competitiveness. The interpreter whispering to Mr. Nicolas Sarkozy about the Ministry of Steel tableau.
Since the heat is not there, it becomes very comfortable for them.
बेहतर जीवन यापन के लिए रोजगार बहुत जरूरी है। ग्रामीण विकास मंत्रालय ने ग्रामीणों के जीवन स्तर को सुधारने के लिए राष्ट्रीय ग्रामीण रोजगार गारंटी अधिनियम लागू किया है। इस अधिनियम को सफलतापूर्वक लागू करने के लिए ग्राम पंचायतें प्रयासरत हैं। वर्ष 2006 से अब तक इस योजना के माध्यम से 2 करोड़ परिवारों को रोजगार प्रदान किया गया है।
Here is a message
और
in
उसके
dance
बाद
from them.
ग्रामीणों में आई खुशहाली को दर्शाया गया है इस झांकी में।
अब शहर जाने की दरकार नहीं है,
गाँव में ही रोजगार बड़े हैं।
NREGA का है पैगाम, हद से मांगो 100 दिन का काम।
Energizing India. The Ministry of Coal depicts
कोयला मंत्रालय की झांकी भारत को ऊर्जा संपन्न करना। ये झांकी ऊर्जा के प्रमुख स्रोत कोयले के खनन पर केंद्रित है। इस झांकी में खानों से कोयला निकालने की विभिन्न तकनीकों में भारी उपस्करों का प्रयोग और रेल वैगन के माध्यम से देश के विभिन्न भागों में कोयला ढुलाई जैसे कार्यकलापों को दिखाया जा रहा है। आदिवासी या जनजातीय मामलों का मंत्रालय और इसकी झांकी विरासत कला। इस झांकी में आदिवासियों की समृद्ध संस्कृति और बहुरंगी कलाकृतियों को प्रदर्शित किया गया है। आंध्र प्रदेश के लंबाडी आदिवासियों की विशिष्ट कसीदाकारी, उड़ीसा की सौरा चित्रकारी और छत्तीसगढ़ की धातु पर दस्तकारी को अतीव सजीवता के साथ प्रदर्शित किया गया है। पूर्वोत्तर राज्यों की बोडो जनजाति की एक आदिवासी महिला को यहाँ पोशाक बुनते हुए दिखाया गया है। चित्रकारी और बुनाई करती हुई आदिवासी महिलाएं। पंचायती राज मंत्रालय झांकी है पंचायती राज संस्थाओं के माध्यम से महिला सशस्त्रीकरण। केंद्र के विकास में महिलाओं के योगदान को अनदेखा नहीं किया जा सकता है। पंचायती राज मंत्रालय की इस झांकी में पंचायती राज समिति, पंचायतों और जिला परिषदों में महिलाओं की भूमिका को प्रदर्शित किया जा रहा है।
अब जाग उठी पंचायत, आसीन हुई है नारी, कौशल से निभा रही है वो सारी जिम्मेदारी। पंचायत में नारी, पंचायत हमारी। पहले से ज्यादा ताकत अब राजनीति में पाई। आई है घर से बाहर, लो हवा चली सुखदाई।
Appreciated by President of France.
विकास के हित में फरमान।
रेल मंत्रालय की झांकी रेल और राष्ट्रीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम। रेल यात्रा से कई यादें जुड़ी रहती हैं। अतीत के गलियारे में झांकी तो 1893 की महात्मा गांधी की वो रेल यात्रा हमारी आंखों के सामने सजीव हो उठती है, जब उन्हें दक्षिण अफ्रीका में फर्स्ट क्लास के डिब्बे से अपमानित कर उतारा गया था।
Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.
हम सभी जानते हैं कि स्वास्थ्य ही सुखी जीवन का आधार है। स्वास्थ्य एवं परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय की झांकी में ग्रामीण स्वास्थ्य और पोषक दिवस के माध्यम से दर्शाया गया है कि गर्भवती महिलाओं, ग्रामीण बच्चों और किशोरों के लिए बेहतर स्वास्थ्य सुविधाओं को उपलब्ध करवाना सरकार की मुख्य जिम्मेदारी है।
अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की पहचान।
स्वच्छ पोषक भोजन अपनाना, तन और मन को स्वस्थ बनाना।
नियमित टीकाकरण अपनाना।
केंद्रीय लोक निर्माण विभाग की झांकी स्वतंत्रता के 60 वर्ष।
brings the 60th year of
ये झांकी
independence.
समर्पित है स्वतंत्रता
A floral
संग्राम में
tribute
अपने
from
प्राणों की
CPWD
आहुति
in
देने
honor
वाले
of all
अमर
those who
शहीदों
sacrificed their
को,
lives
जिन्होंने
during
हमारी
freedom
आजादी के लिए
struggle to
हंसते
hoist
हंसते अपनी
hoist
जान
our national flag
गंवाई। लाल
on the
किले
red
की
fort for
प्राचीर पर
eternity.
फहरा रहा तिरंगा उनकी कुर्बानी का ही सुपरिणाम है।
ये कहानी कहता है स्वाधीनता आंदोलन के सेनानियों की कुर्बानी। और ये जो झांकी आपने देखी, ये कोई रंग रोगन या बनावटी कागज या लकड़ी से बनी नहीं।
It's a beautiful flower arrangement.
हर रंग के फूलों से बनी।
Now gives way to the National Bravery Award winning children.
On the
coming
caparisoned
on
elephants are our
decorated
little
elephants,
heroes.
as every year.
These children have been honored with the National Bravery
These children
Award
have
for
been
showing
honored with the National
exemplary
Bravery
courage
Award for showing
and presence of
exemplary
mind
courage and
in the
presence
face
of mind in the face
grave
of
danger.
grave danger. 22
As
children, including
on the
4
footnote,
posthumous, have been
you can
selected
see the
for
award
awards
winners.
this year.
Bharat Award winners.
This year, Bharat
the
Award
claimants
for
of
most
Babita
extraordinary
and
act of bravery
Master
is
Amarjeet
also being
from
given.
Haryana.
Bharat Award goes to
And then
Kumari
Geeta
Babita and
Chopra
Master
Award.
Amarjeet from Haryana.
Firstly, you can see that Kumari Babita and Master Amarjeet. Geeta Chopra Award, of course, goes to
On
late
1st August
Kumari
2006,
Lalirem
the bus
Puli
carrying
from
school
Mizoram.
children on its way back from school plunged
She's
into a
getting
canal,
it posthumously.
and while trying to
And then
avoid hitting a
Sanjay
bullock
Chopra
cart,
Award.
the children were trapped
Master
inside the submerged bus,
Srivastav from Chhattisgarh.
which included Babita and Amarjeet. They started pulling out the
Bapu
other children,
Gaidhani Award.
and this courageous duo saved several
Winners
children by
are
putting
Master
them on the
Raipali
roof of the
Vamsi
submerged
from
bus.
Andhra Pradesh. Late Master Amol Lagi of Haryana, another posthumous award for the brave
Then
child.
we have the Geeta Chopra Award,
Master Banoy Singh
goes
from
to late
Manipur.
Kumari Larempuli
There
of Mizoram.
in that capricious
This young
elephant,
girl lost her valuable life
waving
while resisting the attempts of an intruder
the
who
dignitaries,
also tried
they
to
are
outrage her modesty.
our strength for tomorrow.
Then we have
They have
Sanjay
shown
Chopra
the
Award
early
and
indication.
Master Yuktart Srivastava of
And
Chhattisgarh
their old
gets it.
award winners, Bapu Gaidhani Award.
And Bapu
Bharat
Gaidhani
Award,
Award goes to Master
Geeta Chopra
Raipali
Award,
Vamsi, Andhra
and
Pradesh,
Sanjay
Master
Chopra Award.
Motujam Boni Singh, Manipur, and late Master Amol Singh, Amol Agi
Brave
of
and proud
Haryana.
children there. Being appreciated by
Other award winners are Master Ravindra Haldar of Chhattisgarh, Master Vishnu CS Kerala, Master Ankit Rai
now
Haryana,
comes
Master Manas Chad Chhattisgarh,
children
and others.
pageant.
And now we have the
Public
band
ceremony sees
by
the conversion of 1400
boys
boys over
and
here.
girls.
There's a band by
School
schools
boys and girls
boys.
band drawn from 14 Delhi schools are playing
They are
Surya.
playing the tune Surya. And now the flag bearers, boys and girls, heralding the cultural
The flag
pageantry
bearer boys and
are the
girls
flag bearers.
come next.
Boys and girls
heralding
from
the cultural
11
pageantry
schools.
are the flag bearer
As
boys and girls
you
from
can
11
see that
schools.
on your running footage.
जो अब आ रहे हैं वो आपको ये बताएंगे कि भले ही अनगिनत रंगों की हमारी संस्कृति है लेकिन दिल में सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान बसता है.
Following the flag bearers from 11 schools,
They are
we
from
have
various
the
schools
school
of Delhi.
children from regional centers and
1,400
schools
of them
to
are taking
present
part
some
in
dances.
this complete pageantry.
Schools of Delhi and the zonal cultural centers. They start with standing
And
testimony.
now school children
Indian
drawn from
tricolour,
different schools of Delhi and
Tiranga
zonal
Sakshi,
cultural
composed
centers
by Pramod
present dances. from various centers. The first one standing testimony, the Indian tricolour, which depicts our great past and progressive present with immense contribution from women in all the fields of advancement. The dance, standing testimony, the Indian tricolour,
Tiranga Sakshi,
presenting
composed by
glimpses
Pramod Mehta,
of the value of
Kamal
education,
Model Senior
sports
Secondary School,
and our
Vandana
rich
International Senior
cultural
Secondary School.
heritage.
We now go to the Northeast Zone Cultural
And
Centre,
now,
Dimapur,
the
presenting
Wangala
Wangala
dance presented by the Northeast
performed to
Zone
please the
Cultural
sun
Centre,
god, colourful
Dimapur.
costumes with feathered
The
headgear.
Garo community of
They dance to
Meghalaya
the
performs
tune
the
of
dance
oval-shaped
during the Wangala
drums.
festival. Brides and grooms are also selected during this colourful
Garo
festival.
community of Meghalaya. Garo community of Meghalaya performing the Wangala dance, also called the 100 Drums
That was the
Festival
Wangala dance.
Usually performed
And now,
before,
girls from
after a
various
harvest.
schools in Delhi
Children from
present
Janki Devi, Sarvodaya
Gaurav
Kanya
or
Vidyalaya,
Pride,
Government Girls Senior
depicting the
Secondary
role
School,
of women
Rajkiya
in
Sarvodaya
national
Kanya
unity.
Vidyalaya and Government Girls Senior Secondary School.
The
now
courage,
perform
dedication,
Gaurav,
harmony and zest for victory
portraying the
of
role of
women
women in national
is brought out
unity.
beautifully in this dance.
जॉन ने टर्की को पास दिया और सेंटर हाफ डिलन गेंद को लेकर गोल की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हुए और दूसरी टीम के गोलकीपर उन्हें आगे बढ़कर रोकने की कोशिश में डिलन ने उनको चकाते हुए पास दिया लाकड़ा को और उन्होंने ये हिट मारी और ये सीधा गोल में और ये गोल। और ये पहली गेंद जिसे बल्लेबाज ने आगे बढ़कर फुल टॉस बनाया और बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर 6 रन। देखना है क्या होगा इस मैच का परिणाम और अगली गेंद को बल्लेबाज ने आगे बढ़कर फुल टॉस बनाकर फाइन लेग की ओर उछाल दिया है और ये खिलाड़ी नीचे। देखना है कैच होता है या नहीं और ये कैच, इसी के साथ ये विकेट गया।
दक्षिण क्षेत्र सांस्कृतिक केंद्र तंजाउर के कलाकार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं आंध्र प्रदेश का लंबाडी नृत्य। मनमोहक हाव भाव और सुंदर आभूषणों को धारण किए हुए ये इस नृत्य को प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
The male and female dancers wearing colorful costumes and several ornaments dance to sensuous tunes, set in its own dialect and accompanied by a specific musical instrument known as dappu.
ये था लंबाडी
That was Lambadi.
और अब
जिन शहीदों ने देश को गुलामी की बेड़ियों से मुक्त कराने के लिए हंसते हंसते अपने प्राणों का उत्सर्ग कर दिया, उनकी बलिदान गाथा को अपने हाव भाव से अभिव्यक्त करेंगे राजकीय उच्चतर माध्यमिक विद्यालय पदमनगर के छात्र। जय भारत ये काव्यात्मक प्रस्तुति शहीद राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल के प्रस्तुत गीत सरफरोशी की तमन्ना पर आधारित है।
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना वक्त आने दे बता देंगे तुझे ऐ आसमां, हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना
Sarfarosh ki tamanna. Now, of course, we'll have Gaur Maria from South Central Zone Cultural Center, Nagpur.
दक्षिण मध्य क्षेत्र सांस्कृतिक केंद्र नागपुर प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा है गौर मारिया नृत्य। छत्तीसगढ़ के बस्तर इलाके के अबूझमाड़ क्षेत्र में शादी ब्याह के अवसर पर गौर मारिया यानी बाइसन नृत्य किया जाता है। इस नृत्य में पुरुष और महिलाएं एक घेरा बनाकर ड्रम की तेज लय पर ये नृत्य करते हैं। आप नर्तकों को संगीत की लय ताल पर थिरकते हुए देखेंगे।
That is, of course, the Gaur Maria, South Central Zone Cultural Center from Nagpur. Now, of course, we are going to have
That
Very
was Gaur
breathtaking,
Maria.
experience
And now
motorcycle
we look
display
forward to two
John
major
Bars.
displays.
And that is the team.
One is the motorcycle
of the
display by
BSF
the BSF,
motorcycle
and
team.
thereafter it will be a fly past by Indian Air
Stunning
Force.
fits on
The
motorcycles.
motorcycle display
consisting
by
of
BSF
178
is
riders on
breathtaking when
34
we'll watch
motorcycles.
the jambas of BSF.
In 2006, the
consisting
Jambas
170
created a world
number of
record
riders
through a human pyramid of
perform a number of
26
feats
riders
in front of us,
on 3
which will
motorcycles,
include
covering 1
Borderman
kilometer in a
salute,
minute and 16
balancing,
seconds.
parallel bar, human pyramid,
It also has
Guldastan
another world
safari,
record where
and a
Inspector
flag march.
Gurpreet Singh
They are
rode
led by
a
Inspector
350cc
Manoj Kumar
motorcycle
Barala.
with 40 men on
Motorcycle
it.
plays a very crucial role in the tactical area, especially
Today
when
we'll
the
witness, of
riders
course,
go as
performance
dispatch
like
riders.
Borderman
And that is
salute,
why these
right,
motorcyclists have developed
leading the
extra skills in handling
contingent,
their
later balancing,
favorite
parallel bar,
Royal Enfield
human
350cc
pyramid,
motorcycle, which is
Guldasta,
strong,
Safari,
steady,
and
and
flag
very
march
stable motorcycle
under
for
the
the
leadership
activities.
of Inspector Manoj
watch.
Kumar Bala, who will give the
Inspector
Borderman
Manoj
salute.
Kumar Barala
This
approaching.
is the VIP gallery, the chief guest, Nicolas
Total
Sarkozy.
balance, not holding hands.
And that is Inspector Manoj Kumar Bala.
Very well tuned. These motorcycles
Just behind him is the
are
Lara
ideally
balancing.
suited for these maneuvers.
And there he
This is the
salutes
salute to the President of
the
India.
President of India,
Manoj Kumar is indeed
Srimati
very
Pratibha.
proud. They have
Devi
created a
Singh
number of
Patil.
records. They
That
have
is
created
the
a
ladder
human
balancing.
pyramid. 26 riders on 3 motorcycles covering 1 kilometer distance.
Look at the way they're moving, absolute
Here is the
precision.
motorcyclist
Parallel bars,
standing behind on the pillion.
and this is the human
And now
pyramid.
we have our commandos on the motorcycle. With the
Service
pyramid
is on
and
with the help
look at
of
the observation soldier right on top.
मोटरसाइकिल पर इतने सारे जाबाज एक
Human
साथ
pyramid.
पिरामिड बनाते हुए बहुत
It has also created another world record where Inspector Gurpreet Singh rode
26 riders
बहुत
on
ज्यादा संख्या की
motorcycle
जरूरत पड़ती है इसे अब
covered
करने की गलती
1
करते मत कीजिएगा
kilometers in just
total
a
concentration
minute and
by
16
our
seconds.
yes,
And now they're the Guldastas.
बिल्कुल कोई
butterflies and birds,
चलने में
colorful
आगे बढ़ने
attire.
में और अब तो इन जाबाजों की राजपथ पर पूरी
गुलदस्ता,
आगे और ये
Total
पता नहीं कहाँ
spirit of
दौड़े आ गए।
motorcyclists is
Safari.
seen out here. You can we can appreciate the tremendous
He's
skill
moving there.
and balance and concentration.
Really a
Each
magnificent
one
view.
is concentrating to his utmost because
And finally,
here comes
one can see the
final
flag march.
जगह की ओर और एक साथ इतने सारे मोटरसाइकिल पर
maneuver by
जाबाज
the motorcyclists.
एक
Motorcyclists.
Indian tricolor in the middle.
They have been doing with 26 riders
To the BSF flag, and then of course the flag for
in
John
earlier,
Bars.
and take ovation from our honored guests and all the spectators. The throb of these motorcycles, the Royal Enfield is
178 riders in
indeed very
34
satisfying.
motorcycles.
And now we come to the grand finale, the fly
Now
past by
the
the
grand
Indian Air
finale.
Force. And it requires a
One
great amount of
26
coordination
in the lead
on
and
part
two
of
advanced
the
light
Western Air Command
helicopters.
to bring in so many
Rotor
helicopters
formation,
and aircraft
led
in
by
one
Wing
place
Commander
from various
Shankar
bases.
Srivastava.
And here we have the
The aircrafts are
world's
flying at a
largest
speed of
military
150
helicopter,
kilometers per hour.
Mi-26, flying by
And at
advanced light
100
helicopters,
meters
commanded
above
by
the
Wing
ground
Commander
level.
Kailash Krishna Rao. The B-26 can
Tremendous.
carry
That is the
20
big
tons
rotor formation.
under
And in
slung
the middle
operation.
is
And
the
in that
P6.
underslung operation, it has carried human service
Flanked by
in
two
the mountains
advanced light
during the Siachen
helicopters.
War. Formation of
India
helicopters
gets
now proceeding towards Jamuna, flanked by two advanced light
Force
helicopters.
staff
The
now will
B-26
very soon
indeed is an imposing sight.
see some
And this
big boy
brings us to the
formations
big
over
boy
there.
formation of the IL-76 strategic airlifter of Indian Air
IL-76
Force,
flanked by two
which will be
N-32s
flanked
and
by the
they'll be
N-32
flanked
and Dornier.
on two
We
sides
are
by two
eagerly
Dorniers.
waiting. The crowd
The
is
aircraft will be
thrilled
cruising
by
at a speed of
the
300 kilometers per hour
World Aviation
and at a height of
helicopter
500
visibility indeed. The slant
above
visibility
the ground
indeed is
level.
not
That
very
is
good
the
for today, as we can
magnificent
make
view
out.
of the
But
President's house.
I am quite
And everybody's
certain that the
just
ground
waiting for
control
the
system
breathtaking grand finale.
will bring them on
The
from
Air
Jhajjar
Force
as they
fly past,
gather out there at
which is
various heights.
absolutely a
They
solid
come from
event of this
various
particular
places,
program.
Jodhpur, Sirsa, Ambala,
And they have to
Halwara.
come and take off from various
Crowd
airbases, Sirsa,
waiting
Nal,
for
and that is
the
that
yes.
IL-76.
Slant visibility
Flanked by two
may be poor, but we can
N-32s
see them
and
very
on the
clearly
sides
now.
of the two
IL-76
Dorniers.
flanked
This is
by
the big boy formation.
AN-32s, further flanked by
They are flying at a height
The
of
AN-32s are the medium
meters
lift
above the
transport
ground
aircraft. The
level.
Dorniers are the military communication aircraft.
Absolutely.
For today,
Poise
they are
and
flying
elegance.
at 300
Keeping
kilometers
the
per hour
perfect distance,
at 500
keeping the horizontal
meters
distance
above
and the
ground
vertical
level.
distance. And now they will be flying
Satisfying
past.
sound of the
saluting
IL-76 has to fly slow
the martyrs whose
to
names
keep
have
up
been
with
played
the
in
other
the
aircraft.
Shooting past
They have
will be
to
in
cater for the speed of the Dornier, which is the slowest of course.
Shooting past is
And
the
now
arrowhead
they
formations.
in the formation.
5 Jaguars,
towards
also known as Shamsher.
Jamuna, and thereafter they will
Deep
proceed back to
penetration
base
strike
again.
aircraft.
Indeed, great effort
Wing
in
Commander R.
coordination.
Purohit Visis Cheva Medal.
In formation,
Leading the formation.
these transport aircraft pilots
Jaguars will be
require
flying at
extreme amount of
420
airmanship and
knots.
skill,
And
because
they will be
formatting
flying
on
at a height
transport
of
aircraft,
300
which
meters
may
above
not
the
be
ground
very,
level.
very quick on controls, is a demanding task.
And
we are now waiting for
magnificent
5
view
Jaguars in arrowhead
of the
formation.
Rajpath.
Jaguars is a deep penetration strike
And
aircraft.
now everybody is
And of
waiting
course, it is
for those
quite a
MiGs
test for
and the Jaguars
And
coming.
here they are, right in front of us now.
And they have come.
Arrowhead formation. Wing
past the
Commander
arrowhead
Rajiv
formation.
Purohit leading, and they proceed.
Jaguars are deep
Those
penetration
flying
strike
at
aircraft.
5 kilometers per hour at 300 meters, and now followed by
And
5
that was
MiG-29
MiG-29,
air
Vaz
superiority fighters,
formations,
led by Wing
air
Commander
superiority,
PJ
and that was Wing
Mohammed
Commander
and
PJ Mohammed leading the formations, closely following the Jaguars and those big formations.
29 is the air superiority fighter, and now we
That
look
formation is the
forward
Vaz
to
formation.
the Trishul
And
of
finally,
3 Sukhois as they come
breathtaking
forward,
Trishul
and 3
formation
Sukhois
comprising 3 Sukhoi
now will
30,
pull
led
up,
by Wing Commander
and as they pull up,
Thomas. And
the 2 Sukhois on the flank,
the center is
center
the
one will
vertical
flank out
Charlie
after pulling up,
maneuvers.
and the center
Really
Sukhoi will make
stupendous
a
artistry
vertical
in the
Charlie.
sky.
Today the visibility is not very good, but
Visibility
viewers,
is not very
I
good, but
am
still,
telling you,
look at
there-
that vertical Charlie. They have
the
left the trail
vertical
behind for
maneuver
everybody
by
to imagine
the
what
Center
artistry,
MiG-29
what
has been
paintings,
executed
what
perfectly, as the 2 MiG-29s have flanked
magnificent
out
they
on
have
either side, and they will proceed
paintings have
back
done on the sky.
Jodhpur. They will turn right and left, and they will
Really
make a
stupendous
rendezvous
artistry in the sky.
somewhere on the selected point, and thereafter they will proceed back to the base, mother base, Jodhpur. I must say, it requires
These
great
aircraft have
amount
to
of
take off
concentration
from
on the West
various
Command,
bases
and this
and had to
bypass
combine
has been
over
very
here.
successful.
And that was the grand finale of this year's Republic Day parade. It was
A
on this day,
spectacular flypast by
1950,
the Indian Air Force.
that India became a republic, and we
And you can see
celebrate
in the distance
our
the President's
59th
bodyguard,
Republic
the
Day
oldest
parade.
and senior-most
And
regiment
you
of the
can
Indian
now
Army,
see
proceeding to
along
the saluting
the
base to escort
Rajpath
the President of
from the
India
Raisina
and the
Hills
visiting dignitary, the President of France.
coming down, the President's bodyguard.
The Republic Day Parade,
there,
a tribute to the idea
President
of a
of
nation,
India,
showcasing the
President
best
of
that the
France,
nation has to offer. States and union territories represented
that is
in a
Mr.
series
Nicolas
of floats.
Sarkozy, and there they come,
Children
President's
from
bodyguards.
schools putting up remarkably
46 bodyguards and magnificent
choreographed
bay-colored
shows.
mounts
The
raised in
armed forces display their
1773.
formidable
President's
arsenal
bodyguard
and fighting
is the
force.
oldest and senior-most regiment of the Indian Army. On the right of the
For the
President's
armed
car will
forces,
be, of course, the
parade is not
command of
just
the
a show of
regiment.
colour, but
Colonel
also
Ali Adil
conveys to the
Mahmood,
Supreme Commander, the
VSM,
President of
on his
India, that they are
Mount
ready for
Faryab.
action at her command.
And on the left of the President will be, of course, the second
Grand
in command,
spectacle indeed that draws attention to
Lieutenant
our
Colonel Sanjay
military
Bhatia on
prowess,
Virat.
our achievements in different fields, be it agriculture, economy, technology, transportation, communication, health,
Coming down the Raisina Hills,
telecommunication,
the ceremonial
IT, social
escort has two
justice,
divisions.
infrastructure, environment,
Salda
and
Major
many,
Chandler
many
Prakash Singh, Stride Master.
A day of great
He'll
pomp,
be leading
pageantry
the
and
division
ceremony,
ahead of the
celebrating
President
across the nation in
and
small
Risalda
towns,
Scratch
cities
Singh
and
and Vikram.
villages.
लेकिन अपने पीछे
He will be leading the division,
President's
following
bodyguard,
the President.
जरूर छोड़ जाता है
Mounted on
by
Twister,
Commandant
Risaldar
Colonel
Sukhbir Singh.
Ali Adil Mohammed,
He will be
astride
carrying
his
the
horse
regimental
Faryab.
colours.
देश को सुख समृद्धि की मंजिल की तरफ ले जाने के लिए
The guards are riding steeds.
Second
that
in
are the
command
tallest
is
and the
Lieutenant Colonel
minimum
Sanjay
15
Bhatia.
and two hands.
Two divisions of
and
the
a full
ceremonial escort led by
mains on their
Risaldar
necks.
Major Chandra Prakash
That
Singh
is
and
Colonel
Risaldar
Ali
Sukhbir Singh.
Adil Mahmood.
Risaldar Sukhbir Singh carries the
Son of
regimental
Himatia.
colours that are presented to the President's bodyguard.
सबसे वरिष्ठ रेजिमेंटों में राष्ट्रपति के
A day of great pomp and
His
pageantry.
father was an Eastern Army
Ceremony
commander, died in a helicopter
at
crash.
Rajpath, a lavish manifestation that involves marching contingents,
To the
decorated
tradition of his
floats,
family,
folk
He has
dances,
also
and
joined
animals.
Armed Forces Colonel Ali Adil Mahmood, Vishesh Seva Medal on his mount.
हर भारतीय सैनिक को
A proud day indeed for us. Here at Rajpath, this lavish manifestation coming to a close, the rising balloons and the colours of the flag, along with the confetti that is raining down on the people here, symbolically raising our hopes and aspirations for a stronger and a more vibrant nation.
Exchanging greetings with
The
Devi
President
Singh
of
Shekhawat,
France, Mr. Nicolas Sarkozy, taking leave
Mrs.
from
Ansari,
his guests here.
Mrs. Gurshan Kaur, that is Pallam Raju, Minister of State for Defence.
As he, along with the President of India,
And,
Madam Pratibha Devi Singh
The
Patil,
chief guest, along with the President, will be escorted there.
move from the presidential enclosure.
And that is that magnificent view with that national flags
Beautiful
and
balloons.
those three coloured balloons,
The 59th
saffron,
Republic Day,
green and white.
and the parade that comes to a close.
Nicolas Sarkozy must be thinking,
The President of France, along
and
with
must have been reminded
the President of
the
India,
parade
will
which
leave
happens
in the ceremonial
in
motorcade
Paris every year on 14th July.
to Rashtrapati Bhavan,
Better known
bringing the curtains
to the
down
whole
on
world
this
as
magnificent celebration.
Bastille Day. The main parade is held
तो इस
at
प्रकार राजपथ पर
Champs-Élysées
59वां गणतंत्र
और
दिवस समारोह
equivalent of
संपन्न हुआ।
Rajpath.
देश के विकास, सैन्य
Exchanging
शक्ति
greetings
और सांस्कृतिक विरासत
with the
का
countrymen.
सुंदर प्रदर्शन यहाँ राजपथ पर सभी ने देखा।
Yesterday, of course, the President,
और अब
Srimati
महामहिम राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती प्रतिभा
Pratibha
देवी सिंह
Devi
पाटिल
Singh
और
Patil
फ्रांस के
has
राष्ट्रपति आज के समारोह के मुख्य
given
अतिथि श्री
very
निकोला
touching
सार्कोजी को
speech to the nation.
राष्ट्रपति भवन ले जाने के लिए राष्ट्रपति
Her
अंगरक्षक
address was
आ गए हैं।
absolutely down to the earth, addressing all sections of the population. And as we celebrate the 59th Republic Day, our country, India, stands proudly in the Committee of
हर
Nations.
वर्ष प्रगति और
The
अपने
largest
लक्ष्यों उद्देश्यों को पाने की दिशा में राष्ट्र नित्य नई ऊंचाइयां छुए, प्रत्येक देशवासी की ऐसी कामना है।
And that's a wave from the chief guest.
कितने ताजमहल हैं हमको और बनाने, कितने ही अजंता हमको और सजाने, अभी पलटना है रुख दरियाओं का, कितने पर्वत राहों से हैं आज हटाने। नया खून है, नई उमंगें, अब है नई जवानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। नए दौर में मिलकर सफलता की नई कहानी लिखने के संकल्प के साथ हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं। जय हिंद।
Will be escorted back to Rashtrapati Bhavan by President's bodyguard.